Hi, today we are going to talk about iCloud backup. A lot of times customers come to our stores with devices and they're looking to upgrade their device to a better phone. Maybe it's from a 7 plus to a 10R, right? They have a lot of data that is there on their phone. They ask us to back it up, but it's a Apple policy that we are not allowed to back up customers' data on our devices, right? For this reason, we recommend our customers to back up their devices on their own to the iCloud, right? And how you can do it, it's a really simple step. Ensure you have a good Wi-Fi at home, right? And then go into your iCloud account. You see this iCloud backup. iCloud backup, now by default I've switched it on. As soon as whenever I'm close to an Wi-Fi signal, it automatically does it. But here I'm just now going to help you understand. All you need to do is just click backup now, and automatically your device continues to backup. And this is something that is really easy. If when you are coming to a service center for a repair, or if you're coming to our store for to upgrade your phone, it becomes very easy for us to transfer your data via iCloud from the old device to the new device through iCloud. So this is something that is a very important feature which we feel our customers will definitely benefit from, and therefore we are recommending the same. For more such tips, please log on to our social media channels for better videos like this.